I'm Dr. Bill Lyle, and today's word is microchimerism. Well, what's that? I mean, we know when it comes to pregnancy that the mother is the life support system for the growing baby on the inside. The baby is absolutely not a parasite because by definition, the parasite would need to be of a different species, and the baby and the mother are of the same species. So mother helps support the baby. Well, does it go the other way as well? Can babies help have a healthy host to have a healthy mother? Yes. We have now known for over 3 decades that the cells from the baby can actually cross the placenta, go into the mother's bloodstream, and they have been identified in the liver, in the kidneys, in the heart, where the baby's cells can actually fix and cure the mother because the baby has stem cells, totipotential cells, which can help the baby grow but can also help the mother heal. It's an amazing symbiotic relationship, not a parasite there on the inside. The mother provides support for the baby, and the baby can provide support and healing for the mother as well through the miracle of microchimerism. Absolutely amazing how God designed our body, how a baby can be from that moment of conception an individual, unique from the mom, dad, and the other 8 billion people on the planet. And the first cell divides into 2, then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. By 10 weeks gestation, there are over 1 billion cells. But the miracle is cell development and fetal development. How do 2 identical cells divide and one cell says, well, I'm going to start the entire cardiovascular system from this point on. And the other cells, well, you do that, I'm going to start the entire neurologic system. How does one cell who has the exact same DNA as another cell know what segments of that DNA and what kind of forms and anatomy and cells they should develop? It's a miracle of God. When you want to wonder, is there a God? Just look at fetal development. Look at the relationship between a mother and the baby. Yes, the mother supports the baby, but the baby can also help heal and support the mother as well, because a healthy host makes for a healthy baby. God bless you all. If you have any questions, you can contact me through my website, which is prolifedoc.org. I'm Dr. Bill Lyle. I've practiced obstetrics and gynecology for over 30 years, and I've delivered over 5,000 babies. A patient is a person, no matter how small. I'd do anything for my mom as a patient, but I'd also do anything for the baby as a patient. God bless you all, and stand up for the most innocent. God's preborn in the womb.